Wait, what's happening? Say goodbye to the vlog because you're getting high blood pressure already.
See my. What do you have got here?
We have to set up our washing machine. So this one, we have this base. We bought this from Shopee or Lazada last year, I think. We were able to use 2 already. So now we only have 2 more.
Okay.
And then this cost around 300 to 500 pesos. I cannot remember exactly how much. So, yeah. And then this one is our washing machine. This is also one of the things we purchased in the Lazada 11.11 sale. So this one is 8 kilograms. Automatic washing machine, TCL. The sale amount is 10,400. No, 11,426.
Okay.
Yeah, including shipping fee.
So,
Because
okay.
we're in the province. So supposedly it's just 10,000 something, but because of shipping. So also, this one we're looking to put somewhere where it will be safe and it will not be too bulky. So yeah, let's see. Let's check.
Let's fix the people here to fix it.
Yes.
Okay, man. Oh, what are you doing? You're already opening ready?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's see. So it's nice. It's safely packed. No? And then you just have to make sure.
Our place is still mess because we are still
Yeah.
lots of things coming also. So.
So now,
Careful.
thank you for telling me be careful. You still concerned about me?
No, be careful of the washing machine. Be careful of washing machine. New washing
Not
machine.
me?
Heavy, the washing machine is newer than you.
What?
Well,
What you want? You want new one already? It's just 2 months. I'm just 2 months.
2 months.
You're fed up already. What? What is this? Freebie?
No, that's for the washing machine.
And then, wow. Oh, diba? Nice. Nice. D, I think you just have to remove like this.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, I know you never use automatic, but you still know how to do it. Yes, please go for it.
Oh, there's something that pulls me.
Wait, let me. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Put it here. Don't bring it out.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you ready?
What? Unrevealing. I think I'll. Don't say kase kose all.
Lagi na lang magdadapa. Oh.
Okay, open.
Are you recording?
Yes, it's recording already.
Let's see what's inside. Oh. TCL. Clean. What is this? Oh, there's... I don't know what's this. You can teach me if I don't know, okay? Because there's my first time. And then, we need to remove this, I think.
Yes.
Okay, so look inside. Come. Okay. have this. I think it's easy to plug this. And then this. And then bubble maker they put here.
You see, is it as big as how it came? No. That's my... That's what I said we should put in there.
It's smaller.
It's very small.
Okay. So we have all these, Raj. We have options here.
Let's see. It's not clear, but we will take again.
Ayan o. See? When you open it like this, and then here. This. See?
Okay.
Photo.
Let's try to fix it.
Okay, then.
Okay, we'll see outside. Okay. Wait. Recording in there. So this is where we wanted to.
They wanted.
Yeah, they wanted to put the washing machine, but it's not happening. I don't know. It's
so small and it cannot fit. It might fall.
It might fall. So now, for temporary, we're just putting here for maybe 20 minutes. But we tested. Did you put plug already? Okay, fine. Switch on and see.
So yeah, I don't know. I don't have any idea yet.
Yeah.
What will happen, but
surprising
yeah.
is. You see, it's not clear. I don't know why. You know what to do.
I know.
It's swollen.
So what?
So this, once we on, it shows the water level. Water level 7.8. The next is, you see the process is wash, rinse and spin. You don't need to do anything. All automatic. Ready? And then it's standard. They have blanket. We have blanket. This one. What is that? Quick also. We have curtain, baby clothes.
Washing machine. Ano, happy ka ba o hindi?
Why is it so silky?
Annoying yung ano.
Where's my BP medicine?
Wait, what's happening? Say goodbye to the vlog because you're getting high blood pressure already.
See, my eyes all is sweaty. No, we will figure out where to put first now.
Come.
I need 30 seconds. I need 30 seconds. Doing? How many you want to put? 6 is too much, lah.
This is the fourth. Because 2 each, diba?
Oh, finally set up already. Outside. In the toilet is difficult, it's too small.
Show that no, we have underwear.
No, of course.
So we're putting, this is the fourth. I mean, 2 of these because 2 each.
What the life of this washing machine by the beach side is going to be rusty, but it's okay. I mean, we have electricity like this, but we need to fix the electricity and the water because what are we doing now? I know we are washing. How do we put the water? We're putting in the bucket.
Putting it in the bucket, in the pail, and then carefully you're putting it there. And then I'm wiping the wet parts
which is not the real purpose of automatic washing machine, but it's okay. It's the first day.
So you want me to teach you how to use?
Bebe.
Okay, this one. Oh, now show. Oh, can you see? Look at the ano. What's it?
Yeah, it's not that clear. It's okay.
No. It's still wash and.
Yeah, numbers are running. But it's okay. Around 42 minutes.
Yeah, I have a feeling that I want to just wait.
Yeah, wait. And when there's no water, it will give sound also. So you need to. I don't know how many wash. That one all it's for other people. Flashlight, wash. I don't know how many times the wash is. No. The numbers are dancing.
Standard.
Okay. I mean, We tried putting in the toilet, we tried putting in the kitchen or outside the kitchen. This is what we come out with, but yeah, let's.
What's there?
What's there?
Check the waves, it's noisy.
I need to go and buy the pipe head for the washing machine. Okay, so that is it for the washing machine. I know it's not.
Yeah, we fought a lot. We were very. Raj sometimes he's impatient with me.
No, I'm patient. Just want you to listen. Listen to something that I have already used. You've been using 1920s washing machine. Okay.
No, why? Explain. Because it's my first time of.
Because it's your first time of using automatic washing.
So, ayun nga, no. Wala, nakakatuwa lang kasi nakakatuwa tong camera na to. Alam ko, nasiset ko to ng ano eh. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo tong camera na to next time. And yun, si Raj, ngayon, nandito ako. Pero si Raj nandun siya, kumakain siya ng something. Papakita ko sa inyo. Oh, diba? Andun. Si Raj. So, tignan natin. Raj! Anong ginagawa mo? Alam mo ba, I can shoot while this one na lang, ganyan.
And then how you will put in the video?
No, when you connect it, you will see what's inside because this has memory card, right? Yeah, so you can shoot it like this, Oni. See? So, yan you see, oh. Yan. So, as long as you don't hold, like, the mic will be covered. So, and then, you can also do selfie. 1, 2, 3. While playing.
So, we don't need to always connect to the TV, to your phone.
Yeah, and then, yeah, that's, see?
100% sure.
So, what have we learned today? Where's our tripod? Diba last time?
We'll one by one. Today washing machine. I need to edit the pictures today. Because today I haven't uploaded anything yet. What are you doing?
Wala, I'm just, oh, it's following me. Next time we will show them what's this. Diba we have unboxing of this? You haven't uploaded.
We have unboxing of this?
Yes.
On your phone, I think.
Yes, just send on WhatsApp and then you edit. Okay, so yeah, that's our island life.
Ano island? Yeah.
Diba this is our island life? Beach life.
I hope they have boats, no? Can go. There's no islands. If not, can go island hopping. You know that my friend there's a white beach that side. You can go on the motorbike.
Let's go to Baguio.
Maybe. Oh no lah. Everyone going there.
Eh, di ba we'll just use motorbike? No.
The backyard. Let's go to the white beach first. We always wanted to come to beach. Now we at beach. Now we want white beach. Once white beach, we want island. Hey,